What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel and welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to join me on a rather amazing day. I've gone and got myself another project, and this one is going to be special. I've been wanting one of these for ages. I've had one before, sold it and I regretted it. Let me show you what we got. Right, I bought this bike from COPART. It's a salvage bike. I got it for 4,500. That's absolutely cheap, or 4,600, one of the two. Yeah, mate, it's full carbon fairing. We got a bit of damage. It's a Cat N, so non-structural damage. It's a 2009 Yamaha R1 Big Bang, as they're known. Bike sounds amazing. It's got the cross-plane engine, if you don't know. But if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you do. It's got full carbon fiber fairings. Absolutely every single panel on this bike is carbon fiber, besides the side panel and the tank. Yeah, so the front of the bike, carbon fiber fairing. I'll point out everything. I just thought I'll let you know. We got the Acropovic exhaust pipe, if that's how you pronounce it. Literally, it will throw you off if you're not careful. So yeah, have a look at it. Look at that bad boy. All carbon fiber to match the helmet. Yeah, we got a bit of damage here. It's not actually broken. Well, it's got a slight crack in it, but it's not gone through. Slight damage here. The rest of it is all amazing. I mean, you have a look at all that. Look at the wheel. Tires are fucking good. Just mind my language. Carbon fiber there. You got the carbon fiber frame shield as well. Side of the tank. Side of the tank there. Top tank. Yeah, man. You got the brake levers and the clutch levers. Carbon here. Carbon front panel. Here we got some damage. I don't know if you can notice that on the camera. It's got a slight buckle in there. But other than that, the bike is stunning, man. So, yeah. Got some damage here. And got some damage there. Side panels. Yeah. And the side fairing here. But other than that, it's all good. Let's check the mileage out. 26,000 miles. Right, it's an absolute beast, guys. I got this bike from COPART. Loving it, mate. We're going to be building this bike for the winter, stick it in the garage, strip it down, see exactly what we need doing. We're not going to strip it completely down. We're just going to strip the wheels, get them powder coated, full service, of course, and try and repair these carbon fiber panels because I want to keep them on the bike. I really do not want to get rid of them. They're cracked, but they're not broken, so they just got slight cracks. I want to check if I can get them repaired. If not, I'm probably going to replace the panels that need replacing. but I'm keeping the look with the carbon fiber. I've got a plan what I want this bike to look like and what color I want it to look like. So yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share, of course. Only way the channel's going to grow. And if you want to see more content of this badass bike, then make sure you subscribe to the channel.